put on.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop. Okay. Oh, this is a band pass box.
It's a 6-door band box. There's not another one like this out here.
Nice. Wow. Yeah, this is unique because the way you have this box built.
The way the 6-door is designed is that I have a baffle going across here, all the way across.
Okay.
This is a port, so from this line to this line is a port on the inside, so the subs fire into the port.
Okay.
And then it fires back out that port. So
Nice.
essentially that's what they...
That's a lot of work to build that style with this.
A lot of work to get it in. I take the door off to get it in.
Really?
Yeah. And it's sitting
Oh wow, and it's just barely touching the door, so you had maximum dimensions.
I just
and then you didn't go too high up either.
Nope, I needed it this height because I wanted to be able to see out the window, and I wanted to be classified as a different.
Yeah. So, do you know your like cubes or the port tuning or anything?
The box is tuned for 24 to 50.
Okay.
All right, the X8s which I have in here are not going to play 50. I only play. I'll play 24 to 30.
Okay.
So anything 24 to 30.
And those are on those amps and the 8Ks in the back, or
those are SCV 4Ks.
4Ks, okay.
Game matched.
Okay.
I got the.
Any SPL tests on it?
Yes, we have. We've done unofficial at Ultimate Rides 145 on music.
Oh, musical. That's all right.
29.
Wow. Below 30 too.
And outside you don't hear it. Like we won't. I'll leave it loud when we get and you get out. You'll see you can't even hear nothing. All you see is flex.
All right. You're good. The F-150. So did you remove your back seats? Sorry.
I did remove it. It's, and I do have a 1/2 inch of deadener all the way around. The door panels themselves are dead.
Okay. All the roof?
The roof.
Oh, it is
back
solid.
wall,
Yeah.
And everything. I got a 1/2 inch because I cut my power wires running from my bed to the front. So it's
Oh, yeah. Got it. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, the good box, that's all about the box. And then the subs too, being impressive, being the smaller cone. But yeah, the box is the most important part.
I'm running 8K, so I'm getting right at 1,000 watts per
sub after rise and drop voltage and everything.
Yeah, I'm getting, well, box rise is 5 on.
Oh, high rise. Yeah.
It's crazy, but
yeah.
It plays the lows, so that's what I like. But
yes, sir.
I'm working on 18s.
Oh, you're gonna put 18s in. That's gonna be a big jump.
Once the gimmick's played out, nobody's got one of these right now.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Yes, sir.
I'll put 25.
All right. Is it louder windows up or down?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Okay.
You ever demo them down?
Okay.
Niggas running straight back to the deal.
Yeah, just dude, you did good on the dynamite ceiling and compress all the sound inside.
I didn't have to do anything on the outside. Everything's done on the inside.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah. You did the tennis ball trick. That lower frequency note, around 25 to 27, it really throws out a lot of lows.
It sounds really good.
Yeah. I like it, man. And you like your lows. .26 hertz is your sweet spot, it looks like. So
yeah,
26 is
26 plays pretty good.
Yeah.
But it don't like these up here, the 32 and the 42. But this song for this.
Okay.
And you don't smell them, and I give a demo.
They're doing good.
Be one cleaner than your church shoes. Really point to just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Yeah, main bitch out of your league too. Stop it, try to your league too. Hustle until feel any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star.
Appreciate it, man.
Hey,
Nice to meet you.
I gave Drew Jones a demo, and he texted me back. He's like, "Man, this is impressive."
He did good. Yeah, the good box, that's all about the box. And then the subs too being impressive, being the smaller cone. But yeah, the box is the
and
most
I'm
important part.
I'm running 8K, so I'm getting right at 1,000 watts per
For sub after
sub.
rise and drop voltage and
And
everything.
yeah, I'm getting, well, box rise is 5 on.
Oh, high rise. Yeah,
It's crazy, but
yeah.
it
Yes, sir.
plays the lows, so that's
yeah.
what I like. But
Yes, sir.
I'm working on 18s.
Oh, you're gonna put 18s in. That's gonna be a big jump.
Once the gimmick's played out, nobody's got one of these right now,
Yeah.
so that's why.
Yes, sir. I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you again.
I was just trying to make sure you guys are hydrated, man. I know